Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to enable AirDrop on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this, okay? So the first way is to open your settings, click on General, and here as you can see the AirDrop option. So just go ahead and click on that and choose everyone. Okay, so AirDrop lets you share instantly with people nearby. You can be discoverable in AirDrop to receive from everyone or only people in your contacts. Okay, so now I'm just gonna turn this off. And the second way to do it is by opening your control center. So you just need to swipe your finger, and now you want to long press on the first box where your airplane mode, cellular data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth is at. So long press, and here at the lower left corner you can see the AirDrop option. So just go ahead and click on that and choose everyone. Okay, and that should enable your AirDrop. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.